film here and teach, and we hope that we will come again and continue. See if everybody learned something useful. At least I.
Thank you very much.
Un tad mēs arī gribējām pateikties tūkiem. Paldies par darbu. Paldies mūsu saimniecei par to, ka rūpējies par Gešanu un par
And here is one card related to the author of this text, which of course isn't the author, but it's something related to him.
Related?
Yeah.
Okay. Interesting.
Did you check for that one?
Sorry, I didn't know you were here, so very different, but
Well, that looks good. Please stay and have a piece of cake before you go.
Tad skolotājs aicina palikt visus, kuriem nav jāskrien uz kādu gabaliņu no kūks, ko mums sarūpējas, ko skolotāji ir sarūpējis Haidona, bet skolotājs grib dalīties ar mums visiem.
Very kind, Daiga.
Daiga, tu esi bijis ļoti laipni.
Let's see what that is. Looks good, though.
Maybe she can comment later.
This is the original marmalade.
Marmalade, original,
marmalade, but
made
this
here.
was the juice of milkshakes. It is yellow, so berries. Yellow sand berries.
Nu, tā viņš nesaka.